This video is about the group trend for the inorganic chemistry. Talking about the group trend, trend means a regular behavior. Group is for the periodic table, which means we are considering the elements that are located in the group in the periodic table. So when these both words combine, it forms group trend, which means the regular variation in the properties of the elements that are located in the group in the periodic table. If the behavior is regular, that is called as the group trend, but if there is any irregularity or deviation from the normal behavior of the property of the element, that is called as the exception or anomaly. Here we will discuss the group trend for the electronegativity along with its detailed explanation. Exceptions are also included. I have prepared this video in complete note style, so if you want you can copy it down as well. Make sure that you watch the video completely so that you have a better understanding of the topic. Electronegativity. It is the ability of the atom to attract the shared weight of electron towards itself. And we know that the sharing of electron takes place in covalent bond. For the group trend, the electronegativity decreases regularly as we move down the group. And why is it so? Because we know that as we move down the group, the atomic radius increases. And because of this increasing atomic radii, the number of energy levels occupied by the electron also increases. Since the distance between the nucleus and the outermost electron shell increases, the attractive forces of the nucleus toward its outermost electron also decreases. This weaker attractive forces result in decrease in the electronegativity. There is an exception that we have for the representative elements, and that is for the element of P block in the group 3A. Electronegativity should regularly decrease as we move down the group, but we have an exception where it increases from gallium to thallium. And what is the reason behind it? Because of the poor shielding effect. For gallium to indium, the electrons of d orbitals are involved, and for indium to thallium, the electrons of f orbitals are involved. If you watch carefully, the reason is same for both, but for gallium you have the involvement of the electrons in d orbitals, and for indium you have the f orbitals electron involvement. This is the complete and detailed explanation for the inorganic chemistry group trend, specifically electronegativity. If you want, you can note it down, make proper notes from it. It's completely up to you. Now for the question, I have prepared few questions that I want to ask. How do you define group trend? What do you understand by electronegativity? Why does electronegativity increases from gallium to indium? How do you explain the increase of electronegativity from indium to thallium? Define exception. Discuss group trend of electronegativity in representative elements. Write a short note on group trend of electronegativity. Why does electronegativity decreases as we move down the group? Explain the effect of poor shielding effect of electrons on elements gallium to indium and indium to thallium. These are all the questions that you can answer from this video. I am also going to add these in the description box so that you can check that from there as well. And if you still have any query, feel free to reach out and we'll get this resolved. Group trend is one of the important topics that we have for inorganic chemistry, and it's a conceptual topic, not very, you can say, memorizable, but if you are aware of the concepts that you have, you can easily write it down. It's not a very complicated topic, it's a detailed topic, but it's on more towards the conceptual and easier side if you are aware of the keywords that you can use for it. So today's video was about the inorganic chemistry group trend and is specifically for the electronegativity. All the scenario and complete explanation have been given in this video. Make sure that you watch the video completely so that you have a better understanding of the topic and you are very well aware of the topic that you are preparing for. Thank you so much. This is all for today. That is the inorganic chemistry group trend for the electronegativity along with the detailed explanation of the topic and the exception with their scientific reasoning. Thank you so much.